The Greeks highly regarded basil and named the herb basilikos, which means king. Over the centuries, Ocimum basilicum was considered the herb of love, yet it also represented hatred for your enemies. Superstitious assertions had witches using basil for evil deeds. Others claimed you could attract a beautiful woman with the scent of a basil leaf. The Greeks and the Romans shouted at the seeds as they sowed them, throwing a few curse words in for good measure, believing the basil would not thrive without the commotion. And I don't recommend it. The neighbors already think you're nuts. There are many flavors and varieties, which I like to call flavorities, my new word for the day. My favorite to grow is the columnar basil. I love them for their typical basil flavor, but even better, they don't bolt like many of the others. Happy gardening!